Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Judicial Service. Now we are going to discussing here the constitutional law of India. This video is the 8th part of top 1000 MCQ of constitutional video. And if you are not watched the previous video, all the link of previous videos are available in our description box. You may watch these videos through the link. And if anybody need the PDF file of this video series, the PDF file will be available in our description box. Let's come to the point here. Question number 181. Article 20 to 22 related to a fundamental right to life and personal liberty. These rights are available to option A, citizen and non-citizens, option B, natural person as well as artificial person, option C, citizen only, and option D, all persons who live jurist personality. So clearly here article 20 to 22, the rights which is related to the protection of life and personal liberty means life and personal liberty. These rights available to natural person means citizen as well as non-citizen. These rights are not available to artificial person. So clearly answer is here option A. Now question number 182. The doctrine of self-incrimination enacted in article 20 clause 3 means. So the doctrine of self-incrimination is provided in article 20 clause 3. It means no person accused of an offence can be compelled to be witness against himself. This is very important. No person accused of an offence can be compelled to be witness against himself. And this rule means this doctrine is known as doctrine of self-incrimination under article 20 clause 3. So clearly answer here option A. Now question number 183. The protection of article 20 clause 3 is not available to option A. This is very important, not available. Confession of guilt made to police custody by word. So whenever any person giving a confession in the police custody by word, such confession is irrelevant. So the protection against self-incrimination is help that person, protect that person as a fundamental right. And option 2 here, the confession made through intangible gesture under compulsion. Option C here, confession made through the production of document or things under compulsion. Option D here, the confession of guilt made to a friend who visit to accuse and who is in police custody. Whenever any friend meet to his friend that means accused person giving the confession before his friend to guilt without any fear, inducement, threat or promise. In that time such accused person cannot get the protection under article 20 clause 3 means the protection against self-incrimination. So clearly answer here option D. Question number 184. In which case it was held that a taking specimen fingerprint and handwriting from accused is not hit by article 20 clause 3 as being a witness against himself. So in this question dealing here, the taking specimen fingerprint and handwriting from accused not hit the provision of article 20 clause 3 means the witness against himself. In which case the case name is here State through SPE and CBI and State of Andhra Pradesh versus M. Krishna Mohan, and the year is here 2004. This is criminal appeal number is 1394. So clearly answer is here option A. Question number 185. Right to life means right to remain alive, option B. Right to survive in the world, option C. Right to have all limbs and faculties intact, option D. Right to continue to breathe. Clearly answer here option C. Right to life means right to have all limbs and faculties intact. Question number 186. In which case it was held that your provisions of man below 25 years for the employment in hotels and bars is violation of right to livelihood. So this judgment is held in the case of Anuj Garg versus Hotel Association of India 2007. So this case is related to Anuj Garg versus Hotel Association of India, and this case is related to clearly section 30. Section 30 of Punjab Excise Act. So Punjab Excise Act makes the provision, and this act make the provision that the provision of employment of any man below the age of 25 years and any woman, so in employment in hotels and bar, and this section is directly contrary to section article 14 and article 15, means equality before the law and equal protection of law, and the discrimination on the basis of sex here, because the any woman is prohibited here, and the man below the age of 25 is also prohibited here. So clearly the violation of article 14 and 15 here, and so the Supreme Court held that the legislation as void and unconstitutional under article 14-15. So clearly answer is here option C. Now question number 186. The following are not included in the right of personal liberty. Option A, right to go abroad. So here not including important. So option A, right to go abroad. Option B, right to under trial prisoners not to be detained for unreasonably long period. Option C here, right to human dignity, and option D here, right not to be detained beyond 24 hours in police custody. So clearly answer is here option D, because right to personal liberty dealing with the protection of life and personal liberty under article 21, and this provision right not to be detained beyond 24 hours in police custody is provided in article 22 clause 2. So clearly answer here option B, D, not B, sorry, option D. Now question number 188. The word procedure established by law in article 21 means option A, that due process of law must be followed. Option B here, the procedure laid down or enacted by a competent authority. Option C, the same thing as due process of law, and option D here, a law which is reasonable, fair and just. So clearly answer here option D, means the word procedure established by law and in article 21 means a law which is reasonable, fair and just. So answer here option D. Now question number 189. The Constitution 86 Amendment 2002 inserted the provision for right to education, which provision for that the state shall provide a free and compulsory education to all children in such manner as the state may by law determine the age of such children should be here 6 to 14 year. So clearly answer here option B, and this provision is provided in article 21A dealing with this thing. And another important point here, 86 Amendment 2002 come into force on date of 1st April 2010. This is very important. The act is here 2002, but it come into force on date of 1st April 2010. Now question number 190. The following are not included in the right of personal liberty. Option A, right not to be tortured. Option B, right to free legal aid. Option C, right to equality of wages, and option D, freedom from arrest. So clearly answer here option D, freedom from arrest. Now finish this video, and if you like this video, please click on like button, and if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it, and please share our videos to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching Indian Judicial Service.